That's a cool feature here. There's one more feature that I'm going to share with you here before I kick it back to David here. And that is this feature in here called change level. So what I can do if I choose change level on any web page or article that I'm looking at is I can adjust the Lexiled reading level for what that particular article is. So I found this article. It's telling me this is already at an 8th grade reading level. And if that's the level that I want, I can choose. I wouldn't probably change anything then. But if I'm working with a group of fifth graders, that might be a little advanced for some of them. So I can choose to change the reading level. And when I choose to change the reading level, it again is going to open up another Google Doc for me here. I just love how it integrates so easily with those different Google tools. But the first thing that you should see here is that it contains a link to the original article. So as it builds it out here, I'll go back to the top. And so I can still relate to what that original article is if kids need to refer back to it. It includes an image from that page. And then as you see, it's taken that content and it's broken it down to make it more readable for fifth grade students. Now, this looks kind of long for me, right? So maybe what I want to do then is just say, I want to make this one a little bit shorter, and so now it's going to generate a shorter version of that article from me, still linked to the original article, but it maybe then wouldn't take as much time for students to read through and still be able to get the main ideas. Then you'll also notice that box comes up and it asks if you want to say add a quiz questions or if you want to add any other content that would be added to your Google Doc. So those are some of what I think are some of the most useful tools